PwC, after they gave you their report, you did give out a salary structure to the public, which was out in the public, and I think when you went and collected your views and you brought in a new salary structure, that's when your problem started. I wish somebody had advised you that in this country you don't show the goodies and then go and hide them. Because if you hadn't shown that salary structure, if you brought in the other salary structure, you probably shouldn't have had the type of rules that you got from the National Assembly, from Parliament, broadly speaking, and even from other sectors.
And this is what brings us here. This is a precursor to job evaluation, normally what we call stakeholders participation before job evaluation. We have to bring the information to you, share it with you, and tell you what are we coming to do. So at the moment, we have procured the services of a consultant. The 14 days notice of procurement are almost over, and immediately the commission finishes with the field visits to the counties, the consultant will come to the ground. Why are we re-evaluating the job? Are we saying that we didn't do a good